Welcome back to Hello Fluent, your favorite channel to learn English. Let's improve your skills in a fun and easy way. Today we are going to listen to a new story. Remember, at the end of the story, there is a short quiz to test our understanding. Here we go.
Incredible cooking adventure. Leo had always loved food. He enjoyed helping his mother in the kitchen, tasting new dishes, and watching cooking shows on TV. His dream was to become a famous chef one day. So, when his school announced a cooking competition for students, Leo knew he had to participate. The competition was called the Junior Chef Challenge, and students had to prepare a 3-course meal. Leo spent weeks planning his menu. He wanted to make something unique that would impress the judges. After much thought, he decided on a starter of tomato and basil bruschetta, a main course of creamy mushroom risotto, and a dessert of chocolate lava cake. On the day of the competition, Leo arrived at school early with his ingredients and cooking tools. The school cafeteria had been transformed into a makeshift kitchen with stations for each participant. The judges, including a local chef and 2 teachers, were seated at a long table, ready to taste the dishes. As the competition began, Leo focused on his tasks. He carefully chopped the tomatoes and basil, stirring the risotto until it was just right, and poured the cake batter into the molds. Everything was going smoothly until it was time to prepare the dessert. Leo realized he had forgotten to bring the special chocolate he needed for the lava cake. Panic set in, but he quickly thought of a solution. Leo asked a fellow competitor if he could borrow some chocolate. His competitor, Emma, was kind enough to share her supply. With the borrowed chocolate, Leo managed to finish his dessert just in time. When the judging began, Leo stood nervously by his station as the judges tasted his food. They praised the bruschetta for its fresh flavors, the risotto for its perfect texture, and the lava cake for its rich, gooey center. The head judge, the local chef, even asked for the recipe. After all the dishes were tasted, the judges deliberated. Finally, they announced the winners. Leo's heart raced as they called out his name as the winner of the first prize. He couldn't believe it. His classmates cheered, and Leo felt a deep sense of pride and joy. As he held the trophy, Leo realized that the competition was about more than just winning. It was about creativity, problem-solving, and the joy of cooking. And with that, he knew he was one step closer to achieving his dream of becoming a famous chef.
Comprehension quiz. What was the name of the competition Leo entered? The Great School Cook-Off. B. The Junior Chef Challenge. C. The Culinary Championship. D. The Master Chef Junior. What did Leo decide to make for his main course? A. Grilled chicken. B. Spaghetti carbonara. C. Creamy mushroom risotto. D. Vegetable stir-fry. What problem did Leo encounter during the competition? A. He burned the risotto. B. He forgot to bring the special chocolate for his dessert. C. He ran out of time. D. He mixed up his ingredients. Who helped Leo by sharing some chocolate? A. The head judge. B. His teacher. C. A fellow competitor, Emma. D. His best friend. What did the judges say about Leo's lava cake? It was too sweet. B. It was undercooked. C. It had a rich, gooey center. D. It was too dry. Congratulations! You have finished one more story. You are closer to learning English. In the description of the video, you can find the answers to the questionnaire. Remember to subscribe and give it a like. See you in the next story.